Eastwood offers a brand new line of rechargeable COB LED lights that's very extensive. If you're looking for the most powerful light of the bunch that comes with a lot of other benefits like an external rechargeable battery, a Bluetooth speaker, USB charging port for your phone, and a 180-degree swivel arm, as well as impact and moisture ratings, you need to check out the Eastwood Rechargeable COB LED Floodlight. This features the most powerful COB LED of the line, a 20-watt COB. There's 5 settings to flip through. The brightest is going to throw an impressive 2,000 lumens. That will drain the external battery in about an hour. However, if you're working on the lower settings, this battery will last you around 12 hours, which is pretty good. Build quality is fantastic. This has a rugged die-cast aluminum and nylon housing with a clear and durable polycarbonate lens. There's even a swivel arm on the back that rotates 180 degrees, so you can easily set this up to shine light exactly where it needs to be. And it has a bolt hole in the molding, so you can hard mount this permanently if you want as well. This floodlight is IP44 rated, which is not waterproof, but it can withstand the occasional splash or spill. It also has a rubber casing for some drop resistance, and because of that, it has an IK07 impact resistance rating, so this thing can take the occasional bruise and shrug it off. This was made for the garage environment, and those ratings prove that, which is very nice. Now, one great feature for me that I really like is that there's 2 30mm 5-watt speakers and Bluetooth capability built into this light. So once you have your phone paired wirelessly via Bluetooth, you can jam out to some of your favorite tunes in the garage. Now, this comes with 1 battery and the 12-volt 1-amp output wall charger cable for it. However, you can pick up additional batteries for the floodlight individually. So if you plan on using this floodlight very often, or you have this hard mounted in the garage, you can always pick up another battery for the hot swap. Now, while we're on the topic of the battery, it's actually pretty interesting. It's a 7.4 volt, 4,000 milliamp hour lithium ion. It will take you about 4.5 hours to charge it from totally dead to full. And it has a battery charge indicator on the side, along with some sealed buttons. You also get a nice to have female USB port, which allows you to charge up your devices if you need to, which is a great little feature. And the port has a rubber seal to keep moisture out of it when not in use. But where the battery really shines is that it has its own flashlight built into it, with the idea being that if you're looking to just throw a little bit of light into a hard to reach spot, or you don't want to reposition that larger floodlight, you could pop the battery out and use that as sort of a pen light instead. This has a 1-watt LED, throws about 60 lumens, and will last about 24 hours on one charge. Again, Eastwood offers a whole line of rechargeable COB LED lights. I have a buyer's guide posted with all of them. If you're looking to compare them, check that out. But this is going to be the largest of the bunch, and if you're looking to throw the most light, this is definitely your choice. Remember to press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Make sure you check out our channel as well. We post tons of great how-to content over there that you're going to want to see. We'll have the floodlight link below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.